staying on track is essential in this world where you are being influenced to get off track, but it's up to you to stay on track. It's not the system's fault. The system's there to tempt you and to attempt to bribe you into giving yourself over to it. So many people may think I sound crazy for saying that it's important to care about what you eat, or it's important to care about your environment, etc. I mean, I'm just crazy. I must be insane for caring about the place that I live and caring about what I put into my system. If you knew half as much as I do about these ingredients, you wouldn't want to eat them. And let me tell you, I'm guilty of eating them at times too. We live in a very stressful world, and sometimes we use things to escape. And unfortunately, sometimes that's drugs or alcohol or food. Food is probably the worst drug on the planet. It won't kill you as fast as, say, heroin or things of that nature. It's a slow kill, soft kill system, but that's what's so horrible about it. It kills you slowly. It kills you without you even noticing it. It calcifies you. It damages your tissues. It ruins your clarity, man. Your clarity is essential out here. And I don't mean clarity like, oh, I don't have anxiety anymore, bro. I can go to work. It's easy, my social anxiety's gone, blah, blah, blah. No, I mean real clarity. Getting some light and some activation back in your chakras so that you can see out here into the ether. And chances are that's going to make your anxiety worse, people. Because the more you can see the truth, the more you're going to realize the insanity of the system. So don't approach health with, oh, I need to do this so I can get clear, bro. I'm going to get clarity. What the fuck clarity do you want? Do you want clarity so that you can fucking just have an easy life here in this Satan system? Or do you want clarity so that you can see the insanity, so that you can attempt to fight back in any way, shape, or form that you can against this beast? And let me tell you, the smallest little actions here in this matrix can make huge results on the spiritual plane, the astral planes, the etheric planes. So, in a world where pretty much no one here in the United States is even attempting to fight back against the system through prayer or pouring libations for the earth, etc., the smallest little things can have huge fucking impacts on the collective consciousness, on the earth, etc. There are angels around you at all times, spirit guides, animal totems. And when you do things for the earth, when you pray, etc., they see this and they use it as fuel to fight on the spiritual levels. It's a very complicated issue I'm not going to get into right now. My little dog is having a very good time. What are you doing, Luna? Huh? What are you doing, bud? So, unfortunately, I made that video in the shade, and this camera sucks in the shade. God damn it. Should have made it in the sun, but it is what it is. It's just another day here in hell. These skies may look somewhat blue, but this is fake weather. Learn how to spot fake weather. Depending on where you live, you're going to be getting sprayed heavily, day in and day out, with chemtrail, solar radiation management, geoengineering aerosol spray programs. So this may look like a clear sky, but again, in the early 90s, the skies were dark, deep blue. And really starting in 1995 and 1996, when they really started to crank up their program with the spraying, the skies now have a silver bluish haze. And most people, I don't know what it is, if there's just fluoride heads or what, they don't even seem to be able to notice this shit. So, again, part of fighting this spiritual war is caring for your environment, and part of you regaining your spiritual armor is to realize that you're being poisoned here, people. This is no joke. What the hell's the matter with you? This is not a joke. Oh, he's talking about chemtrails again. Luna, leave it. Leave it. What's up, man? Right on. Excuse me. You know, part of you regaining your clarity is to realize that you're being poisoned. Because if you can't realize that you're being poisoned, how the fuck are you going to fight back?
I wanted to personally thank you for watching my videos and contributing to the growth of my channel. I could not do this without you, and your interest in my content is truly what motivates me and fuels my passion for making these videos and spreading my message. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wanted to remind you that this channel is a free educational tool that is listener supported, and if you would like to donate to my channel and donate to my cause, help make my life a little bit easier and help keep the lights on around here, you can do so by checking out the links in the description box below. There's a handful of not only ways to donate to my channel, but I also have links to different websites and different videos of mine, as well as my Amazon store, where you can check out a plethora of different health related products that I use and recommend. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your continued interest in my message, and until next time, peace be with you all.